Good morning, dear students. Now, today we are going to learn 1.2 odd one in. Now, the lesson odd one in is an expert from the book of the same name by Tithi Tavero, set against the backdrop of challenges encountered by a newcomer in school. The story highlights the importance of inner beauty as compared to outward appearance. The story revolves around Rima, a city-bred brat who is quick to judge the newcomers, Malti, a countryside girl. Rima and her friends look down upon Malti for her simple looks and dressing sense. So, however, Malti proves her mettle to them over a period of time. Rima learns a lesson not to judge anyone by their outward appearance and be respectful to one and all. But does she really learn the lesson? Well, now read the story and find more details. So now see. How was the first day of school? Asked mother as Rima sat down for dinner. When Rima sat down for dinner, then her mother asked, how was the first day of the school? So Rima replied, okay, no lessons, just settling in. Rima replied that, no lessons, mother, just only settling in class. Any new girls in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen inquired her, any new girls in your class, Rima? Only one, Malti. And she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. Why do you say that? Asked Mr. Sen. Mr. Sen replied that, why do you say that? Malti is funny, so she can't speak much English. She has come from another state, sniffed Rima. Rima says that she has to come another state and she did not know about English. Oh, children from the state are supposed to be clever. She can't speak much English. She has come from another state. So, oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen quietly. Mr. Sen quietly said that, oh no, children from that state are supposed to be clever. So these children, especially from that state, are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths. Their maths very nice. So well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teacher, mimicked Rima. So Rima mimicked. Well, this is one does not seem smart at all. She has oily hair, bindi at all like that. Okay. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted on her, but she could do insufferable at times. Actually, her parents exchanged glances towards Rima. So, Rima was their only one child. So, they doted on her. They care for her, but she could not insufferable at times. So I do hope you and your friends will not to make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. So Rima and her gang had decided to do just that. Now one day what happened? Rima and her gang decided to jeer So Rima and her gang had decided to just that. Next morning, the minute Malti entered the class, they all chorused, good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning." So Rima and her gang decided to jeer when Malti sang. Malti entered the class. After that, Shahna giggled. "Why do you put so much oil on your hair?" she asked rudely. Shahna's giggled, laughed in a silly way, and says that, "Why do you put so much oil in your hair?" So Malti looked offended, but she did not give reply. "And the skirt so long," said Clark catily. Clark also, in such a meaning a way, says that the skirt so long. Malti flushed. She was about to say something when teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. So after that, when the teacher entered in the class, so the class progressed. At that time, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. "Yes, Malti, you answer," said the teacher. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in appreciation. So when teacher asked some questions, so Malti gave correct answer. Okay. So when Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, "Sounds like a clever girl." "What is the use?" said Rima uncharitably. "Her English is so atrocious."